Why do you have such a bad cough?
Because I need this.
Well, wait, what is that? What is that you have in your hand?
A cough drop.
Oh, but you need to eat it?
Yeah.
Why?
You have a cough.
You do?
Yeah.
Is it a bad one?
Yeah.
Let me hear it again.
Maybe I need one.
You think you do?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Maybe I'm old enough. That's the cough I have.
Oh, so what are you going to do? You're going to put that in your mouth? How's your cough?
Good.
Is it better?
My old cough drops.
Well, that kind you can, but listen. Cough drops. Sit down. You never swallow or chew cough drops, okay? You have to just suck on them. Kind of like a lollipop. Well, look at Mommy. How's your cough? Is it gone?
Nope.
You still have a cough? Is that cough drop helping, or should you spit it out?
It's helping.
Okay.
With that video I have.